Galaxy A04s review, striking balance between budget and performance. The Samsung Galaxy A04s stands out as a reliable choice for those seeking a budget-friendly smartphone. Boasting a user-friendly interface, the A04s offers a seamless experience for everyday tasks, from social media browsing to multitasking. If you're chasing a pocket-friendly handset which can fulfill your daily communication needs, deliver an efficient performance, and allow you to enjoy carrier video calls without turning on mobile data, then the Galaxy A04s is made for you. Powered by an entry-level MediaTek Helio P35 chip, it smoothly handles day-to-day activities such as social media use, multitasking, and light gaming. While its performance is considered average, the device excels in delivering a dependable experience for routine tasks. A 6.5-inch PLS LCD display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate contributes to a visually satisfactory experience, particularly when enjoying content on platforms like YouTube with a maximum resolution of 1080p. The Galaxy A04s boasts a simple design made of plastic. With a waterfront notch on the front, the device weighs 192 grams, slightly heavier for those used to lighter devices, but maintains comfort. The rear camera module protrudes modestly, and the bottom left headphone jack placement may feel a bit awkward, especially during portrait mode gaming. The 6.5-inch PLS LCD display with a 60Hz refresh rate delivers a warm tone, providing a decent visual experience for activities like YouTube with a maximum resolution of 1080p. Overall, the Galaxy A04s strikes a balance between practical performance and user-friendly design.